Exports. Thank you viewers for your wonderful response for our first video. We are again back with the Diwali stuff that we have bought. We have a lot of brands this time. We have Biba SKDs, we have Libas SKDs, we have Avasa long kurtas. You get Avasa basic range you will have with us. Lot of Jaipuri kurtis brand also we have this time. So I'll be showing you items one by one. All these items are available both in wholesale as well as retail. I'll be telling you the prices for both wholesale and retail. Wholesale, the minimum purchase quantity with us is around 30 to 40 pieces. Anybody who wants in wholesale has to purchase minimum 30 to 40 pieces with us. Wholesale customers kindly contact only on 8618161581. For retail customers, we will be giving you a different number. Please drop a message for retail inquiries. A staff will get back to you either with pictures or through video call. We will get the selection done for you. Okay, now we will be starting with a very basic range of kurtas that we have. These are Avasa brand kurtas. See this kind. This will come like a 42 length kurta. The MRP of these kurtas will be $499. This is Avasa brand kurtas. You'll get the sizes from S to XXL in this. And the wholesale price for this one will range between 260 to 280 depending on the quantity that you are picking it up from us. The retail price for this one will be 350 rupees. Single piece. You'll get the sizes from S to XXL. I will show you one or two more colors in this. So this is something that will always have stock of. Any quantity you want to pick it up, like 100, 200, 500 pieces, you'll get the stocks with this. The next range in kurtas is the Avasa brand long kurtas. See, long kurtas will come like this. It is a full umbrella cut kurta. In long kurtas, you will get different varieties and different patterns. Everything will not be umbrella cut. Few will be umbrella cut, few will be long kurtas. The sizes that you'll get in this is starting from S to XXL. We all will have lot of stock of these kurtas also. See, as you can see, we have lot of stock of these kurtas. This is complete Avasa brand kurtas. I'll open one more piece and show you. See, like this. So like frock styles you will get in this, long fish cuts you will get in this. So all these items will be MRP. See, this MRP will be $899 to $1499 in between. $899 to $1499 in between. And you get this everything in just 450 rupees. If you are looking for wholesale, the minimum quantity is again 30-40 pieces, and you will get mixed design, mixed sizes. You can fix up a video call with us for a wholesale selection of these kurtas. Next in kurtis, we have this Biba SKDs. This is a special item which has come for Diwali. So look like this it will come. We will have model pictures of these kurtas. And the sizes will be from S to XXL. Nothing comes set-wise. Everything is assorted single pieces. This is available in retail at 50% of the MRP. Whatever MRP of the product will be, you'll get it 50%. Say for example, the MRP of this one is around 3799. So the retail pricing is around 1750. Wholesale pricing will be different. In wholesale, you have to pick up minimum 10 sets of Biba. Biba wholesale quantity requirement is 10 sets. You can pick up in mixed sizes with us. This is a limited edition item. This is a non-repetitive item. So this is again full flared chiffon Biba set. It comes with the bottom. The size of this one is 40 size. MRP of this one is 3999. You get it at flat 50% off. So as you see, these all are SKDs that we have in Biba. Lot of SKDs we have in Biba. something like that. A very party wear stuff also you get. See these kind of party wear stuff. This all MRP 3999 4000 rupees MRP items. If you want model pictures, I'm again repeating, model pictures of this one is available with us. If you want model pictures, we can send you model pictures. You can make a selection from that. Retail customers, kindly drop a message on our retail number. Our staff will send you the pictures of Biba SKDs and you can make a selection in that. Everything comes as an assorted piece. There are no sizes in any color or design. Every size will have its own color and own designs. Guys, next that we have in kurtas are these Jaipuri kurtas, Jaipuri Gotapatti kurtas. Beautiful patterns, complete hand prints, 100% cotton. Length will be almost 44 to 45, and pricing for this one is just 450 in retail. Retail pricing is just 450. In wholesale the pricing will be little different. You can drop in a message for wholesale pricing of this. This again is a branded stuff and you get them in different sizes, different colors. All are assorted pieces. Next in this one, I'll open and show you. These are the SKDs. When you say SKD, means it is a full kurta along with the straight pant. So this also comes in different designs and different patterns. You get sizes starting from S to XXL. Every size will have its own color, own designs. Nothing comes set wise, so everything is assorted pieces. This is our brand surplus of Jaipuri kurtis. MRP of these kind of sets in retail is around 850 to 950. There are two ranges in this depending on the design and the pattern that you're picking up. The rate would vary. Wholesale rates will be different. You can ask the wholesale rate separately with us, and also this particular this thing will come in different sizes and different designs. Next in kurtas we have these kind of long dresses. See, very pretty, beautiful long dresses and hand prints. Full flared dresses. Sizes are starting from L to XXL you get in them. Again, each and every piece is different and every style is different. You can drop a message in retail if you are looking for your size in these kind of dresses. We will send you pictures or we will do a video call for you. The MRP of this one is around 1500 and you get them only for 850 with us. The dresses are only 850. Wholesale pricing will be different. You can drop a message for wholesale pricing, and the quantity that you have to pick up in Jaipuri kurtis, the minimum order quantity has to be 20 to 25 pieces. Next in kurtas, guys, we have these beautiful chikankari work kurtas. Long ones, the length would be around 46-47. Completely handwork it will come. Look, it is complete handwork. It is 100% cotton, so no lining or no inner wear is required inside this. It has embroidery on the sleeves also, and this particular item cost you just 650 in retail. This is almost 50% discounted rate. This is only for 650 in retail. Wholesale pricing is different. You can contact for the wholesale pricing. And the minimum order quantity in chikankari kurtas which you have to pick up is around 20 to 25 pieces. So these were the kurtas. Now I will be showing you the pants that we have this time. We have a lot of pants this time. See. This is the first pant. This is straight cut pant. Full lycra material, 100% lycra material with beautiful chikankari work in the bottom. You get them in all sizes starting from L to XXL. Assorted pieces. This is again an export surplus item, so they come in assorted pieces, assorted sizes and colors. So anybody looking in for wholesale, he has to pick up all sizes and colors. In retail, if you are looking, you can mention your color requirement and the size that you are looking for. L to XXL is the size that you get in this. MRP of this one is around 450 in retail. It is just 450. Market prices for this one is around 800 to 850. This we are giving at flat 50% off, just 450. Retail wholesale prices will be different. You can contact us for the wholesale pricing of this. This is one pattern. The next pattern that we have in these pants are these portly pants. This is again 100% lycra materials. Look, side pockets are there. 100% stretchable material. Sizes ranges from L to XXL, and it comes with this beautiful side portly. This is known as a portly pant with a side cut also, and this is again a straight pant. See, I'll just show you how it looks. It looks very pretty with your kurtas, and even if somebody is lean, you can even wear it like a jean. Colors are available in this, and the minimum order quantity in pants is again 10 to 20 pieces if you're looking in for a wholesale price. The third pattern available in the pants are the straight pants. Look at this beautiful straight pants with this complete chikankari work. Look at how beautifully the work is done. Fabric is amazing. It is 100% cotton fabric. You have side pockets, very pretty looking pants. Side pockets are there. Back elastic is there. Front belt is there, and side zip is also there. The rate of this one in retail is just 450 rupees. You have multiple color options in this, and the sizes are L to XXL in this. Wholesale customer has to pick up this set to set. We give you color options, but everything will go set to set. And minimum order quantity is 10 to 20 pieces. Yes, next what we have, this is only for retail item. We are not giving this in wholesale. The stocks are almost over in this. This is a cotton pant, straight cotton pant, block print with side pockets, back elastic. Front belt is there. This is a straight cut pant. Price for this one is just 450 rupees. This is just 450 rupees. Next are these beautiful chikankari pants. These are available in bigger sizes. See, look at this. Full work is there. So this is available in cream red white color, and the sizes that are available is L, XL and XXL. Front side belt will come, back side elastic will come, and side zip will also come in this. So this MRP is 650 in retail. Market prices for this one is around 1200. We are giving you at flat 50% off, just 650 rupees. Wholesale rates will be different. You have to pick up set to set, and the minimum order quantity in this one is also 10 to 20 pieces. Next guys, we have these beautiful dupattas. Online the rate of these Chanderi dupattas are almost 1500 to 2000 depending on different sites. See, these kind of amazing full Chanderi. It is 100% Chanderi hand block dupattas, 2.5 meters, and you get this only for 500 with us. Only 500. We have beautiful collection of this thing. This is again an export surplus item. See, these are not ordinary dupatta. This is complete hand printed, hand block Chanderi, full Chanderi dupattas. Beautiful color options you get in this. See, we have all these multiple options available in this. Price is just 500 rupees. If you're gifting to somebody, that person will also very happy. It is like almost 1500 to 2000 rupees item you're getting only for 500 rupees. Look at this. So like this, you'll have multiple colors and designs in this. Next item that we have is this stoles. This can be teamed up with any kind of western wear or Indian wear. These are hand printed stoles, very thick quality of cotton, 100% mull it is, and you're getting it only for 300 rupees. Retail only 300 rupees. Market prices online, if you check on big websites, it is around 700, 800, 900. You're getting only for 300 rupees. See this one. I'll open one more and show you. This one. See this kind of all indigo prints. You get multiple prints in this. Retail customer can ask for the prints on the given number, and wholesale customers, you can call us through a video call. We show you the prints and you can get them with us. The minimum order quantity in this is around 20 to 30 pieces in wholesale. You have to pick up minimum 20 to 30 pieces. Next guys, we have these kind of palazzos. These are cotton palazzos. The sizes in this is small to XL. It fits a small to XL size, and the retail price for this one is just 220 rupees. 220 rupees only, hand printed cotton palazzos. Wholesale pricing in this is different. You can contact us for the wholesale pricing. You get different colors and designs in this. This is all from Max brand. See, look at this. Sizes available are S to XXL. Everything will be assorted, single pieces, single designs. So please don't ask us for the sizes in this. Everything will be assorted. Everything will come as assortment. These kind of t-shirts, these kind of crop tops. Sizes, again I'm repeating, it is S to XXL. Nothing will have sizes, everything is an assortment. So you have to pick up, you have to tell your size and we will show you the patterns available in your size. In wholesale, it will come as a mixed bundle from S to XXL, mixed designs, mixed patterns.